It's a part of anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration, we know that when anaerobic respiration occurs, anaerobic respiration actually where respiration actually occurs in the absence of oxygen, where the terminal electron accepted is other than O2, then we call it as a anaerobic respiration, right? Anaerobic respiration. Now, in case of anaerobic respiration, glycolysis is a common pathway for it's aerobic or anaerobic. Both common pathways glycolysis. Glycolysis occurs in both in aerobic respiration as well as anaerobic respiration. And two in end product of glycolysis is pyruvate. Pyruvate enters in presence of O2. It enters into mitochondrial matrix. It's a mitochondrial matrix, and then it convert into acetyl CoA, and acetyl CoA enter into Krebs cycle, and then it's a O2 absent, then it convert into two molecules of ethanol or two molecules of lactate. Now we'll see the lactic acid fermentation. During lactic acid fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, so glucose converted into two molecules of pyruvate, glucose convert into two molecules of pyruvate, and glucose convert into two molecules of pyruvate, and two molecules of pyruvate convert into two molecules of lactate, two molecules of lactate or lactic acid, right? Now here enzyme is LDH, that is lactate dehydrogenase. LDH, lactate dehydrogenase, lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. Now here 2 NAD plus converted into 2 NADH. Here actually those are in glucose to pyruvate, we know that যে দু molecule NAD থেকে দু molecule NADH তৈরি হয়, right? Now here pyruvate actually use this NADH during lactic acid fermentation. 2 NADH যেটা কিনা this 2 NADH already generated during glycolysis step. Now this NADH used in the lactic acid cycle. This NADH convert into NAD plus. Now second one is alcoholic fermentation. These are lactic acid fermentation, and second one is alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation, here ethyl alcohol is produced, ethanol produced, so glucose converted into pyruvate. These are common steps for glycolysis. Pyruvate, so one molecule of glucose will produce two molecules of pyruvate. Two molecules of pyruvate now convert into acetaldehyde. Two molecules of pyruvate convert into two molecules of acetaldehyde. Two molecules of acetaldehyde. Here one decarboxylation reaction occurs. Decarboxylation reaction means যেখান থেকে কার্বন ডাই অক্সাইড রিলিজ হয়, ঠিক আছে? পাইরুভেট এনজাইম কি কাজ করে? পাইরুভেট ডিকার্বক্সিলেজ, ডিকার্বক্সিলেজ enzyme, pyruvate decarboxylase. Now this acetaldehyde convert into ethanol, two molecules of ethanol, ethanol. টু মলিকিউলস অফ ইথানল, এখানে এনজাইম যেটা কাজ করে সেটা হলো অ্যালকোহল ডিহাইড্রোজিনেজ। অ্যালকোহল ডিহাইড্রোজিনেজ, alcohol dehydrogenase. Now this NADH to NAD plus convert into 2 NADH. This NADH actually used here. So 2 NADH convert into NAD. This is the major step. Different important steps is that important to remember. The মনে রাখতে হবে সেটা হলো যে গ্লাইকোলাইসিসে যে NADH, যে NADH তৈরি হয়, যে এনার্জি NADH যেটা আমাদের ইলেকট্রন ট্রান্সপোর্ট চেনে গিয়ে আমাদের এনার্জি দেয়, সেই NADH টা কি হয় না অ্যালকোহল ফার্মেন্টেশনে ইউজড হয়। This NADH actually coming from here. Now also in case of lactic acid fermentation also and alcoholic fermentation, both the case this happened, right? Now we'll see another part, that is RQ, respiratory quotient. RQ, these are important. Another is that RQ or respiratory quotient. So now heading is RQ. RQ or respiratory quotient. Respiratory Q, respiratory quotient. Now RQ, what do you mean by RQ? RQ equal to number of CO2 molecule produced by number of O2 molecule consumed. Number of CO2 molecule produced by number of O2 molecule consumed. So example, suppose in case of glucose oxidation, that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 converted into 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Now according to that, RQ will be 6CO2 by 6O2, number of CO2 molecule produced by number of O2 molecule consumed. So 6CO2 by 6O2, that is 1 is the RQ value in case of glucose. So list of for carbohydrate RQ value is 1. In case of glucose, that is RQ value is 1. For protein, RQ value 0.8 to 0.9. For lipid, RQ value is 0.71. Now in case of organic acid, most of the organic acid RQ value is greater than 1. For malic acid or organic malic acid, RQ value 1.33. In case of oxalic acid, RQ value 4. So remember that if it is an organic acid RQ value is greater than 1, greater than 1, right? RQ value always greater than 1 will be, right? Now another effect is pass-through effect and Warburg effect. Pass-through effect and Warburg effect. Pass-through effect Pasteur effect. Pasteur effect. Louis Pasteur observed that Louis Pasteur observed that when oxygen, when yeast is exposed to aerobic condition, when yeast is exposed to aerobic condition, that is in presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, glucose consumption, glucose consumption and ethanol production drops. So that is তার মানে কি হচ্ছে না গ্লুকোজ এটা কি হচ্ছে না অক্সিজেন কি করছে অ্যানারোবিক কন্ডিশনে বা ইথানল প্রোডাকশন বা ফার্মেন্টেশন কে ইনহিবিট করে এটাই লুই পাস্তুর অবজার্ভ করেছিলেন লুই পাস্তুর যে ইস্ট যদি অক্সিজেনের প্রেজেন্সে থাকে দ্যাট ইজ এয়ারোবিক কন্ডিশনে থাকে তাহলে ইথানল প্রোডাকশন বা ফার্মেন্টেশন অনেক গুণ কমে যায় ঠিক আছে নাও অ্যানাদার ইজ দ্যাট ওয়ার্কবার্গ এফেক্ট Warburg effect. Warburg effect. Warburg effect is in most cases, most cancer cell, most cancer cell increased most cancer cells increased glycolysis occurs and they use this metabolic pathway for generation of ATP as the main source for this energy supply. This phenomena is known as Warburg effect. This phenomena is known as Warburg effect. So what's actually Warburg effect? Warburg effect is the in cancer cell, actually cancer cell কি হয় increase ATP requirement থাকে, cancer cell increase glycolysis occurs as increased glycolysis occurs, and they use this metabolic pathway for generation of ATP as the main source for this, for the energy supply, because cancer cell need lots of amount of ATP source. This lots of amount of ATP source actually come from glycolysis actually, right?